In today's exploration, we delve into a critical and often contentious aspect of law enforcement in the United States, the intersection of police practices, human rights, and the legal framework that governs acts of domestic terrorism as outlined in Title 18, subsection 2331 of the United States Code. Let's start by understanding what Title 18, subsection 2331 of the United States Code says. This law is pivotal in defining domestic terrorism. It describes activities that involve acts dangerous to human life, that are a violation of the criminal laws of the United States, and that appear intended to intimidate or coerce a civilian population, influence government policy by intimidation or coercion, or affect the conduct of a government by mass destruction, assassination, or kidnapping. Now consider this definition in the context of police practices. The question arises, how can certain actions by law enforcement under specific and extreme circumstances be interpreted as fitting within these parameters? This brings us to a pivotal distinction: civil rights versus human rights. Civil rights are specific to a country's laws, like those enshrined in the U.S. Constitution. Human rights, however, are universal rights recognized and upheld internationally. In instances where police actions have led to loss of life or serious injury, debates often arise. Are these merely civil rights violations under U.S. law, or do they ascend to the level of human rights violations under international standards? What happens when citizens seek to hold law enforcement accountable? Charging a police officer involves navigating a complex web of internal investigations, legal standards, and often, a different set of rules compared to civilian cases. Interestingly, the term brutality is not commonly found in legal texts. This absence can influence how justice is sought and achieved. It highlights the importance of understanding the specific legal language and frameworks. So, what can be done? Solutions might include reforms in law enforcement training, enhanced accountability mechanisms, and legal reforms to address these complex issues more effectively. Change requires a nuanced understanding of law, ethics, and human interaction. It's about balancing the crucial role of law enforcement in maintaining public safety with the fundamental rights and freedoms at the heart of our society. This topic is vast and multifaceted, and we've only scratched the surface today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.